Portuguese cuisine is loved by many people all around the world for its diverse range of flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods. The unique combination of fresh seafood, hearty meat dishes, fragrant spices, and sweet desserts is a delight to the taste buds and attracts many food enthusiasts to this vibrant cuisine. One of the main reasons why people love Portuguese cuisine is because of its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Portugal is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean and has a rich agricultural tradition, which means that there is an abundance of fresh seafood, vegetables, fruits, and meats available throughout the year. This freshness is reflected in the dishes, which are known for their clean, natural flavors. Another reason why people love Portuguese cuisine is because of its versatility. There are many different styles of cooking in Portugal, ranging from the hearty stews of the north to the seafood dishes of the south, and each region has its own unique flavors and cooking methods. Whether you are looking for a light, refreshing salad or a hearty meat dish, there is something for everyone in Portuguese cuisine. Portuguese cuisine is also loved for its use of fragrant spices and herbs. Many dishes are seasoned with traditional herbs such as parsley, cilantro, and oregano, as well as exotic spices like saffron, paprika, and cinnamon. These ingredients add depth and complexity to the dishes, making them even more delicious. Finally, people love Portuguese cuisine because of its sweet desserts. Portugal is known for its sweet pastries and cakes, which are often made with almonds, egg yolks, and sugar. These desserts are a popular way to end a meal and are often accompanied by a strong cup of coffee or a glass of port wine. Overall, people who love Portuguese cuisine appreciate its fresh ingredients, versatility, fragrant spices, and sweet desserts. Whether you are a seasoned foodie or simply enjoy trying new flavors, Portuguese cuisine is sure to delight your taste buds. Portuguese cuisine is cooked in a variety of places, ranging from homes and local restaurants to high-end dining establishments. In Portugal, there is a strong tradition of family cooking, with meals often being prepared in the home and enjoyed around the table with loved ones. Many Portuguese people take pride in their cooking skills and consider it a way to express their culture and heritage. Local restaurants in Portugal are known for serving traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. These restaurants often specialize in a particular type of cuisine, such as seafood or meat, and use locally sourced ingredients to create their dishes. One of the most popular types of restaurants in Portugal is the Tasca, a small, casual eatery that serves a variety of traditional dishes, such as grilled sardines, octopus salad, and arroz de marisco, seafood rice. Portugal is also home to many high-end restaurants that offer a modern twist on traditional cuisine. These restaurants often use innovative techniques and unique flavor combinations to create dishes that are both delicious and visually stunning. Some of the most well-known chefs in Portugal, such as José Alves and Henrique Pessoa, have gained international recognition for their innovative approach to Portuguese cuisine. In addition to restaurants, Portugal is famous for its street food culture. Many cities and towns have markets or food stalls where locals and tourists can sample a variety of traditional dishes, such as bifanas, pork sandwiches, pastéis de nata, custard tarts, and francesinhas, a hearty sandwich filled with ham, sausage, and steak.